What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the 2009 Nissan Maxima. Really clean car. I like the grill. I like the wheels on. It's really cool. See it? There's the lights there. There's on the side. So it'll really glow at night. Anyways, got factory converters there and manifolds, third converter there. Then he brought it in and we did a resonator delete and added a vibrant in its place. As you guys can see there, there it is, part number 1792. There'll be a link in the description for it, right there. Then it runs to dual out the back. Somebody else did the duals on it. We didn't do it, but it's straight piped out the back on each side there and there. Into some double wall tips out the back, 3-inch there and there. There'll be a link in the description for them also. All right, so we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And the resonator that was on it is right there. That's how huge of a resonator these cars come with to make it quiet inside. So we replaced it with a vibrant. That's why we had to add that pipe to it. We'll let you guys hear it from Alabama for school at Belmont. So we hooked him up Tennessee style. Much better. That's so much better. Here's sound decibels. Again. 105. So much better. Let him back it up. It definitely needed that vibrant in the middle. It was way too quiet before. Really clean. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Nissan Maxima with a vibrant mid and rear muffler delete. He wanted pops, we gave him pops. Pop, crackle, and pop. And I don't know the third one, I forgot it. So vibrant mid, rear delete. Enjoy, guys.